Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Rich Dad, Poor Dad is a personal finance book written by Robert Kiyosaki, which advocates for financial independence and wealth creation through investing, real estate, and entrepreneurship. In the book, Kiyosaki contrasts his two fathers: his biological father, whom he calls his poor dad, and the father of his childhood friend, whom he calls his rich dad. Author's poor dad was highly educated but struggled financially, while his rich dad was less formally educated but financially successful. Throughout the book, Kiyosaki highlights the differences in mindset and approach to money between the two men, and offers lessons and strategies for building wealth. One key lesson is the importance of financial literacy and the need to educate oneself about how money works. Kiyosaki emphasizes the need to be proactive in seeking out financial knowledge and to continuously learn and adapt in order to succeed financially. He also stresses the importance of understanding how to manage and grow one's money, rather than simply earning and saving it. Another lesson is the value of assets, which Kiyosaki defines as anything that puts money in your pocket, such as investments or businesses. He encourages readers to focus on acquiring and building assets, rather than simply saving money or living frugally. Kiyosaki also advocates for entrepreneurship as a way to build wealth. He discusses the importance of taking calculated risks and starting businesses as effective ways to create passive income and financial independence. The book also touches on the dangers of consumerism and debt, and the importance of avoiding both in order to achieve financial stability. Kiyosaki advises against relying on consumer debt, such as credit card debt or car loans, to fund one's lifestyle, as this can lead to financial instability and even bankruptcy. Kiyosaki also emphasizes the importance of having a strong support system and finding mentors who can help guide you on your financial journey. He advises seeking out individuals who are financially successful and can offer valuable advice and guidance.